Hello, I am going to talk to you a little about math. It may be that once you have finished listening to this MP3, you might find that you really like math, or you might find that math is something you can do with ease, and that is fine. Or you might find that you feel the same about math to begin with, but it becomes something that you can do more and more easily with every single math problem you see. Before you listen to this audio recording, please make sure you are in a comfortable position, sitting down, and that you are able to relax for a while, because this audio recording may make you feel very, very relaxed. Now, I know that you are wondering, and it's a good thing to wonder, because that means that you are learning all the things that will allow you to have a good experience with math. And this will provide you with new learnings. And you know that it is more or less the right thing to know that math is simple to do with ease, and is as easy as 1 to 3. And you can you not? And it is more or less the right thing to know that a calculator has thoughts and feelings. Because I was speaking to a math teacher the other day, and she said, I don't know how confident you are at math, but then we all have different confidence. Some of us learn to ride a bike really amazingly, but to type not as amazingly. To go through computer games confidently, but to read more slowly. We all have different confidence at learning, and we differ in our learning confidence for different kinds of learnings. When a sum is calculated, some of the numbers are always in your head. And because this is the case, you are probably more skilled at maths than you realise. Now, I am going to ask you to use your imagination to think about something that you would like to do very much. You may want to think about doing this with your eyes open, or you may want to think about doing this with your eyes closed. Whichever one works best for you is the one that you need to do. I want you to start by imagining that your body is becoming very, very relaxed and very comfortable, and that your mind is busy thinking about the things I am saying to you. Let your body feel relaxed and comfortable, and let the chair or floor you are sitting in or on begin to feel very soft and fluffy. You can notice this soft and fluffy feeling happens somewhat gradually, but that is beginning to be there by now. And as you're thinking about this feeling, you can also notice that it is possible to turn that soft and fluffy feeling into a very special car just for you. We'll call this your cloud car, and it is your own cloud way towards fun and imagination and more control of your mind and body. You may picture your cloud car in your mind's eye any way you would like. Get a good look at the controls. Look at the size and shape. Is it shaped like a sports car, or like a pickup truck, or even like another type of car? Is it fast? Does it maneuver well? Can it go high in the sky? All of these things can be true. And what's more exciting of all is knowing that this car is completely under your control and that you're able to drive it in a way that is fun and exciting and relaxing and beneficial to you. I'd like you to begin to fly your cloud car now. Get comfortable and used to the controls. You will notice that if you lean forward, your car goes down. If you tip back, it goes up. If you tip to the right, it goes to the right. And if you tip to the left, it goes to the left. These are just a few of the ways in which you can control the flight of your car. Perhaps you would like to experiment with your car. You can begin by flying it low along the ground, or perhaps you would like to soar high in the sky and take a look at the view from up there. Whatever you do, have a good time doing it. Make your experience as real as you can. Enjoy yourself. See yourself laughing and feeling the comfort of being in your own special car. And now you've had a chance to fly your car for a bit. I would like you to begin to head towards a small garden. And in that garden, a small seed lives, nestled in the warm, dark of the earth of that garden. It is just the time, just the beginning, just the very start of something to be. Slowly, the warm light of the sun reaches down through the dark soil and warms the shell of the seed. The shell expands and slowly water and nutrients seep inside around the old, hard, protective shell and into the rich inner core. A small sprout starts to push out and up, slowly at first, and then more and more confidently, up through the layers of dark soil. The sprout starts to push out and up, slowly at first, and then more and more confidently. The sprout grows, gets stronger. It grows tall and strong in the sunlight. Buds and flowers, adding colour and fragrance to the garden. Then, one by one, other seeds repeat until the pattern is obvious for all to see. I can do this. I can do this with my maths calculations. So every time you answer a maths question correctly, you will feel very good inside. You will feel proud of yourself because you calculated so well. You will enjoy the feeling that calculating things well in math gives you. You will want to calculate some more math questions. You will become interested in calculating all sorts of things. Every time you calculate something correctly and understand the math behind it, your interest will increase. Sometimes you may make mistakes while doing math. These mistakes will not bother you because we all make mistakes. None of us is perfect. However, when you calculate something or answer a math question very well, you will be pleased and happy. You will want to do math more and more as you relax and begin to stop worrying. You stop worrying about math. You begin to think how much you would like to calculate things better. You begin to think about how much you would like to improve your math ability. You know that you can do math better if all the muscles in your body are relaxed. If all of your muscles are relaxed, you will be able to pay closer attention to your math. You want very much to relax your muscles while you do math and to be completely at ease, completely confident and completely able. Now, in a moment, I am going to count down from 10 to 1, and with each number I count, I want you to become more and more awake until you are fully awake and alert at number 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now relax, come back into the room, have a look round, and get yourself back reorientated with normal everyday life. Thank you for listening.